What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I got something pretty cool planned. We're going to be installing a RTR upper grille and a RTR lower lip on the front bumper. So something that the car really needed, just to I can't even talk today. Just to spruce it up a little bit, make it look a little nicer, a little cleaner. So yeah, I got my buddy Billy coming over. He's going to help me with that. So we're going to use my tiny little ass garage, but we're going to try to make it work. It's just pretty skinny, so it makes, you know, trying to jack it up and working on it a little bit awkward. But I have it back halfway out of the garage, and we should have plenty of room up front to mess with everything and install all this. So I'm going to bring you guys along with us, and afterwards I think we're going to go drive and weigh our cars. So like I said, I'm curious to see how much this thing weighs after the twin turbo kit. I weighed it when it was completely bone stock, and I just want to compare it to after the twin turbo kit. I thought it'd be pretty cool. So and there was a lot of there was a lot of confusion on the last post with the GT500 of how much my car weighs. I don't think you guys understand how heavy these S550s are, especially when they're fully loaded like this. So yeah, we're going to squash all that, and I'm just going to show you the real weight on an official truck stop scale, so you know they're pretty accurate. But yeah, so let's get this grill and stuff installed. Obviously we got to remove the front bumper. It sounds a lot harder than it is. It's just a little time consuming. Hopefully we can knock it out and we don't run into any issues, but we'll see what happens. All right, so here obviously this is the stock front bumper. See the intercooler. I'm hoping with the new grill you can see more of the intercooler. So that was more of the plan with the RTR grill, and it, you know, just looks way nicer to me in my opinion. So yeah, a little before and after. See how it looks. I got to move all this junk so I can jack it up. I need a bigger garage desperately. But yeah, should have plenty of room. So there's the RTR grill. Here are the inserts that go in there. I got the ones without the lights. I really do like the lights, I'll be honest with you guys, but it's just something else I got to worry about burning out or something like that. I don't know. And if I want the lights, I could always install them later on, different point. But yeah, should look really good. All right, guys, just got jacked up. Put 2 jack stands under it. Got the whole front end lifted up. E-brake on, so it's pretty solid. Shouldn't go anywhere. Now the fun part. Oh man, looks like a lot of work. I mean, it kind of is, but it seems pretty simple. We'll knock this out and we'll get it going. And here's the RTR lip. Looks pretty good. Something subtle, a little bit larger than this. We actually have to remove this stock one to put that one on. So should look pretty clean, and that's what I'm going for. I'm not a big fan of the splitter rods, but that's just my opinion. I don't like all that fancy stuff, but yeah, should look really good, guys. There he is. I forgot to mention it last time on the last video, but you guys should check out his channel too. I'll put the link down below. You know that thing runs its balls off for that with that ESS kit. Yo. All right, with the help of him, we finally got it off. Thank God, because I'm an idiot. Looking good. Everything still looks good. All the clamps tight and everything. Everything looks good. Yeah, look at them small ass blow off valves. Damn. I gotta clean that intercooler. You know that's driving me nuts. All right, start ripping this shit off. The grill just pops right out. That's easy. But I think I gotta drill some holes first on this grill. Just got it on there, looking good. Fuck yeah, it looks great. Can't beat it. Huge improvement. All right, guys, GoPro died. This battery sucks so bad, but we finally got the RTR grill on, RTR lip. Looking killer. You can really see that intercooler now. That's exactly what I wanted. Looks really good, and I am so happy with it. Time to get it off these jack stands, get some gas, and we're gonna see how much this pig weighs. All right, gotta get gas, got the gas light on. Check this grill out. Woo. Look at that thing. Looking good. Billy's green's looking good. He got some fresh tires on here. Got the 315 50 17. A lot bigger. He's got no room between his fender and that tire. Should help him out though. Looks really, really good. These two cars look really good together. Woo. Loving it. Looking like a real idiot right now. Oh man, this wind sucks. All right, guys, just filled up, cruising down to the weigh station, and we're gonna see what this thing weighs. I'm really curious. I know last time it was 3820, but that was bone stock. We changed a little bit of things here and there, but you know, we're gonna see what it weighs. Put down in the comments what you guys think this thing's gonna weigh, full weight, with the turbo kit and the welds. There goes Billy. Man, them tires look massive on his car. Holy crap. Look like steamrollers from the back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but damn. It actually looks really good. All right, guys, here we go. Just got to the certified scales for the car. Billy's gonna go up there first and make sure I don't sit on it. Yep, all right, let him do his thing. And then we go into the gas station. It's actually at an Exxon, so it's like a truck stop. So yeah, we go inside and we pay for it and we get our weight. So we'll see what happens, guys. All right, here we go. I guess it's my turn. Hi, I'm just weighing my car.
Yeah, you got your weigh.
No, this is the second car.
Oh, okay.
She's looking good. There he goes, Billy. Make sure I'm not stepping on it.
I will.
All right, thanks, man. I think I'm good. Now I just got to turn around, go inside, and see what this fat thing weighs. Ooh, it's a big dip right here. All right, there we go. Damn, it's fucking cold. Here's some scary shit and something you guys should check for in your cars as well. So the other day I took the car out, just went for a quick ride. It was beautiful out, 60+ degrees. I was just cruising, came across a straightaway. Decided, you know what, let me try to do a draggy pull real quick. Set everything up, did a draggy. Midway through the pull, 100+. I lost all my air in my right rear tire. Never seen this in my life. Maybe you guys have. Comment down below if you have, if you've seen this before. I've never have. I was planning on swapping them out anyway, but these are the ones that came with the wheels, so I ran them anyway. But look, check this out. So thank God the wheel is still good. I think the only thing that saved me and why I didn't crash the car is because of the bead locks. The bead locks is the only thing that kept the tire on the rim and allowed me to narrowly keep this thing on the road. And yeah, it was pretty shitty. But as you can see, my valve stem blew completely out, gone. So I lost all the air in a matter of seconds. And it's not something I ever want to do again. So I got these guys. This is what I should have had. These screw in and lock in, and they're the metal valve stems. They go right in. So yeah, scary shit, guys. So if you have rubber valve stems in your car and you're out doing this stuff, please just get rid of them. Save yourself the hassle. And yeah, I got this one off too. This one's good, but this is what was in there, and I'm putting these guys in here instead. So this one's going out, swapping this one in there. So I got both wheels off, taking them to my buddy, take them all apart, remount, balance them, and then put the right valve stems in there so this never happens again. But yeah, scary shit, and I don't wish that on anybody. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. So if you have the rubber ones, swap them out for these. Make sure you keep an eye on yours. Stay safe, guys. All right, we got both of our weights. Which one do you think is heavier? Dude, they picked up weight. It's heavier. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. It's about 3/4. I can't remember. I have to look. All right. So what was yours?
What'd you weigh last time?
38.20.
38.20.
What?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's with a full tank.
Jeez.
I think last time what I weighed 36.60, but that was on the
fully gutted
fronts, no interior and stuff. So
okay.
Full weight stock fronts.
Wow.
38.20.
Well, number one, those tires rolling down the street look like steamrollers.
Yeah.
That's all you see is from the back. But it looks sick. It looks sick. I did a little pull on that road in fourth.
Heard it, yeah.
Spun.
Shit out of me.
Spun. No traction. All right. My fat ass car. 3,900. Jeez.
Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
3,900. Jesus.
80 more pounds.
So with add like 185 with me in it, we're over $4,000. We're over 4,000. That's not too bad. So it looks like the Turbo Kit added about 80 pounds. But it's negligible because the power it added. So, damn. Cool. There it is. 3,900 pounds. That's full weight. Full interior. Everything. I mean, 3/4 of a tank. Not terrible. Not terrible. Pretty evenly weighted too. And then everybody in the comments are saying the GT500 weighs like 4,500 and this thing weighs 36. I don't know where you guys are getting your weights from, unless it's a stripped out base model. I have no clue, but there it is. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much the video. I thought it'd be a nice little update video for you guys. Bring you guys along for the grill and the lower lip and everything, and see how much this thing weighs. So, yeah, 3,900 pounds. I guess we did add a little bit of weight with the twin turbo kit. Kind of to be expected, but yeah, she's full weight, boys. She's full weight, 3,900 pounds, and with me in it, she's probably about 4,100 maybe, because I'm about 185. So yeah, that's it. So now we can start working on maybe a little bit of minor weight reduction. I don't plan on killing this car because it's just too nice inside for, you know, my opinion. Maybe some race seats or something like that, and lightweight bumper supports and all that stuff. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm loving this thing, guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy it too. It's going to be a ton of fun once the weather breaks and we finally get, you know, better weather where it's not so sketchy and cold. So I hope you guys can stay tuned and bear with me and be patient, and appreciate everything and appreciate all the new subscribers. I'm only getting started, guys. It's just the beginning of this thing, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. There's gonna be drag racing coming up. I want to get this thing into 9s on pump gas. Tons of racing, all that stuff. So stay tuned. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that like button. I promise you won't be disappointed. And thank you guys for all your support, and thanks for watching this video. And I'll definitely catch you on the next one. Thanks.